Bouille bordelaise.
Now repeat yourself.
Bouille bordelaise. Bouille bordelaise.
Bordeaux mixture is a fungicide, biocidal chemical compound or biological organism that is used for preventing bacterial diseases and infestations in vine fruits and tree fruits. It is composed of copper sulfate and calcium hydroxide that is later combined with water in a spray applicator. The application of Bordeaux mixture can effectively control plant diseases and infestations such as downy mildew, powdery mildew and leaf spot. The Bordeaux mixture was first discovered by a French botanist in 1860. Since then, it has been used to prevent fungal diseases and bacterial issues faced by vineyards and vine growers worldwide. The copper ions in the mixture stops the enzymes that the fungal spores need to spread, while the lime acts as a neutralizer. The best time to apply Bordeaux mixture is during the dormant season. During hot or humid weather conditions, the application may cause leaf drop and leaf burn.
Bouille bordelaise. Bouille bordelaise.